So, little garden room floor now. Subfloor, which is floating, insulated floating. P5 chipboard floor. It's been cleaned up. And then WBP ply has been fixed or stapled to the floor. PVA'd and dried out now, ready for our LVT. So our customer got us LVT adhesive with their flooring, and here are flooring tiles. The back of them. So that's what's going to go there. Now, because the quantity of the tiles they got pretty much exact, with only a couple percent to spare, so I have to really set it out for minimum wastage. They're going to have some cabinets here on this side, so if I'm short, I'll leave that side, that section there, bare from any floor. It's simple reason: the size of the room, size of the packs of the flooring tiles. So they didn't want to go in expense of buying another pack just for one tile or so, if it's necessary. So we'll try to work out with these two packs. So I tried a few different options: center of the door, or center of the room, middle of the tile to the center of the room or center of the door, or joint to the center of the room or center of the door. So 4 different options, and came up that the most reasonable with best usage would be the joint on the center of the room. So my center of the room mark is there, and if I run a joint on that line there, so stretch my tape from the skirting. Tiles are 2 foot, by the way, so you got 4 foot mark, and then it's going to be 12, 13, almost 14 inches piece there, which means it's going to have like 8.5 inches, 10 inches piece. 10 inches offcut you're going to have, and it's going to be same there, 10 inches offcut. So I'm going to have from 3, I'm going to have a 6 10-inch offcuts, and on the end here, so if I just lock my tape, it's quite hard to do this with one hand, so if I do 2 foot there, so that's going to be another tile there, and I need 9 1/4 to finish against that wall. So 10-inch offcuts from both sides I can actually use along this wall here, which is not bad. So I got 6 of them, which is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So each one of these offcuts on the sides I can use on that end there, and hopefully we'll have enough tiles. So now I got our center line, and I'm going to spread adhesive nice and evenly and thin with fine tooth spatula, just like that, across this quarter here. So basically I'll go for 2 tiles depth from this line that way, so I can lay 2 tiles and then do another 2, do cuts around that reveal here, and do the cuts into the end, and then I can do infill up to that end there, and then I can start working on this side here. I can do another tile full width, maybe another one full width, and then do the cuts. So I'll start from this point, work that way, and then go around it. bit further. A little bit on the handle. Make sure that it's got full contact. Spatula. So here's when I was getting adhesive on the corner of the spatula, I was trying to get in the scoop adhesive from the top. And that didn't really work very well. I need the other knife for that. I'll have more than enough. So these are the last two towels out of the pack. I got another pack. I need only this one towel to complete this half of the room. So I should finish the lot with 2 towels to spare. That's excellent. Clean up the edge a little bit. And that's one half done. the last piece. Last piece. And I got 2 towels left over. So hopefully never. In case if they do have any damage or anything, they can replace that. Right, let's get the camera off the stand. And here it is. Obviously different designs, different things, but it's basically that. Different sizes you can have. You can have long, like planks, you can have small tiles, whatever size, but that's pretty much it. And actually you can see the waves going that way, so that's the direction of the tile. I had arrows on the back. And the back one's now going that way. You can see clearly the waves going in that direction because they're offcuts of the ends, so they get turned 90 degrees. But they're going to have some cabinning there along that wall, so it's not a big deal. There you go. Hope you liked it. If you did, subscribe, and all the best, guys.